Hi guys, in this video you're gonna learn how to switch language on ChatGPT. So to do that, tap your browser, enter chat.openai.com and then log into your account. And after that, you can now see the English language. To change or switch your language on ChatGPT, you can tap the three lines at the upper right corner and then tap translate, and in here tap the settings option and choose a language. Tap more languages and type example Afrikaans, and that's it. That's how to switch language on ChatGPT. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.